Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about enhancing intimacy and creating deeper connections. We'll dive into that one thing that can transform your intimate moments from ordinary to extraordinary. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because you won't want to miss this. 1. Understanding the importance of presence. The first thing we need to talk about is presence. Presence means being fully aware and immersed in the moment. It's about letting go of distractions, worries, or any thoughts that might pull you away from the here and now. You see, intimacy isn't just a physical act, it's an emotional journey. And to truly connect, you need to be fully present with your partner. That means no phones, no wandering thoughts, and definitely no autopilot mode. When you're with someone, be with them. Feel every touch, every breath, every heartbeat. This is where the magic happens. When you are present, your partner feels it. It's a subtle yet powerful energy that says, "I'm here with you, and there's nowhere else I'd rather be." This deepens the connection and amplifies the pleasure for both of you. 2. The one thing you must do: communicate through touch. Now, here's the one thing you must do during intimacy. Communicate through touch. Touch is the most primal and powerful form of communication. It's a language that transcends words and goes straight to the heart and soul. When you're intimate with your partner, every touch should convey a message. It could be a soft caress that says, "I adore you," or a firm, confident grip that says, "I want you." Your hands, lips, and body are your instruments. Use them to express your desire, your love, and your connection. A touch can be tender and loving, or it can be intense and passionate. The key is to make every touch intentional and meaningful. Don't rush through it. Let each moment linger. Feel the texture of their skin, the warmth of their body, and the rhythm of their breath. 3. The power of slowing down. One of the biggest mistakes people make during intimacy is rushing through the act. But slowing down allows you to savor every moment, every sensation. It's not about reaching the finish line, it's about enjoying the journey together. When you slow down, you create space for deeper connection. You give yourselves time to explore each other's bodies, to discover what feels good, and to build anticipation. This is where true intimacy lies, not in the fast and fleeting, but in the slow and deliberate. Slow it down, breathe together, move together, let the rhythm of your connection guide you. This is where the true power of intimacy unfolds. 4. Listening to your partner's body. Another crucial aspect of communicating through touch is listening to your partner's body. Pay attention to how they respond to your touch, their breath, their moans, and even their stillness. Every body speaks a unique language. Your partner's body will tell you what they like and what they don't. Don't just go through the motions. Be sensitive, be curious, and be willing to adjust. When you truly listen, you create a space where both of you can fully express yourselves. When you listen, you're not just touching a body, you're touching a soul. And that is the essence of true intimacy. 5. Creating a safe and loving space. Lastly, creating a safe and loving space is essential for deep intimacy. This means being vulnerable, open, and non-judgmental. It means being willing to give and receive pleasure without fear or shame. When you make your partner feel safe, they'll be more open to sharing their desires and fantasies. They'll be more willing to explore and to be fully present with you. This kind of emotional safety is the foundation of deep, meaningful intimacy. Remember, intimacy is not just about the physical act. It's about building a connection that is real, raw, and deeply satisfying. Conclusion: transform your intimacy. So there you have it. The one thing you must do during intimacy is to communicate through touch. Be present, slow down, listen, and create a safe space for each other. When you do this, you'll experience a level of intimacy that goes beyond the ordinary and touches the soul. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you think is the key to deep intimacy. Until next time, stay connected, stay intimate, and most importantly, stay in love.